As I said, Ginsler is gone. Why is that significant for new listeners? He was the head of the SEC. He has led a crypto war, a lawfare war on crypto the last sort of 4 years. Just blockade after blockade, suing Ripple, fucking tying anything he can up in legal backlash, which has really suppressed the market overall. You know, what that really means, and this is what we're seeing right now. I want to preface this. You're seeing the industry since Trump go from a $2 trillion market cap to over $3 trillion in the space of a couple of weeks. That's a third of the value added in 2 weeks. Just get your head around that for a second. And that's purely because the main drivers of this whole industry, crypto as a whole, unlike stocks, derivatives, real estate, all that, it's purely retail right now. You don't have any institutions. You don't have any big boys in, really. You've just got retail speculation for the most part. What's happening now is that is shifting, and there is a tidal wave of money on the sidelines. There's 400 trillion in derivatives and FX and stocks. You've got over 450 trillion in real estate investment trusts sitting on the sideline. You've got the commodities market, which would be probably like, I don't know, 50, 60 trillion. You've got more than a quadrillion, probably quadrillions of dollars sitting there that is waiting to be tokenized, not all of it, but portions of it tokenized on these ledgers and moved into this digital ecosystem so that all the parties involved can effortlessly and seamlessly move their assets around instantly. We've lived in a dinosaur world where all this is very difficult. Commodities, oh yeah, you want a couple of gold bars, you got to send that via a ship, or it's just all very slow, or fly it, or whatever. We don't need to live in a world like that anymore, and we're about to see the floodgates open. So this industry, my prediction would be, we'll probably hit 5 trillion before the end of the year. So we're going to go up another 1.8 trillion, whatever it is, by the end of the year. And I really do think we're going to crack probably 20 trillion by the end of the 2025. It's just going to be exponential growth from there. So that's why we're seeing Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin surging up to 100K. Donnie, talking of the strategic crypto reserve, he's already I think the murmurs are he's put in an executive order to make that happen. It's very likely going to happen, which is going to offset a bit of the debt cycle. They've got other strategies to do that as well, which I've talked about in the past, but super exciting. Then, of course, the biggest one, no tax on US-based cryptos, XRP, XLM, HBAR, Algo, Axelar, all these amazing utility-based assets that are, and I'm sure they'll sort Bitcoin out as well, but that's technically, no one knows where that was made because of Satoshi, but hopefully they'll figure that out. But it's just such an exciting time to be in that space and to be an investment abroad. So yeah, that's the overview, and that's why the markets are moving. It's just, there's just so much positivity in the space right now.